video mastery. Now, why this topic is very important and why this is really close to my heart, because I think most of my success, I will give huge credit to videos.
The journey from the streets of Gadhvi.
I am a rebel. Let me just ask you, who are actually active making videos? Raise your hand. Right, there are text and there are images, but majority of my success has come from videos, and that is the only thing which is probably differentiating me with a lot of people who are trying to get into the training, coaching and mentoring business, but they're not able to get into. Because when people go back and look at their credibility, if they just find the text and LinkedIn articles and all, that's it, then they don't have the real connect with them, right? Everybody today, we all are so used to checking somebody on social media before we even invest our time or money in there, right? So that's why it's big. So if somebody wants to become a passionpreneur, or you want to start, build your business, video is the ultimate thing, right? Agree that video is the strongest form of the content. Yes?
Yes.
Now, it is an advantage and it's a disadvantage. Advantage for people who are comfortable with it right now. Disadvantage for people who are not comfortable with it right now. Right, so the video is the strongest form and the toughest form as well, because we are afraid, we are afraid as human beings. We don't want to be vulnerable. What do people will think? My objective is you become comfortable with video. That's the whole objective, okay? For some people who are already doing it, maybe you learn something new. You may want to add something else that will help everybody else. But objective is everybody should be a better version of themselves in terms of videos, okay? What are the limitations that you face when it comes to making a video? What are the challenges that you face? The video content flow, huh? So the first thing is, what is that? Content, okay. Okay, second? Flow, okay. Fear, okay. Let me tell you one thing. The videos that you don't upload don't help. I tell you that, if you have limitation that, office mein pata chal jayega, my boss will come to know, you still have this family. This is the net practice that you do. You put it on Facebook, but there is no excuse, okay? The reason why you're here, afraid, fear, is because you're not committed to your why. The day when you truly commit to your why, that why you have to do what you have to do. Once you know your purpose, your mission and vision, you will do video. The easiest thing I can tell you is, write down this word and remember this. If you're hesitating to make a video, for people who are hesitating to make video, just remember this one word: shameless. Become shameless. There's no other solution. You have to become shameless. You have to have a thick skin. You don't have to worry about what others are saying. And why we're making the video is not to get appreciation or praises or feedback from others. We're doing it for ourselves. It is our mission. Why are you raising your son? For yourself. Gaon walo ke liye nahi. You're not raising your kids for somebody else. You're doing it for yourself. That's your baby. Your videos are your babies. You're not there raising them that, I want people to appreciate my son, that's why I'm raising my son or my daughter. No. You're doing it for yourself because your mission and your vision. Once you truly commit to it, now you use your own analogy, whatever it is. Like I tell this to Dinesh, that you want to save kids' lives, one video equals saving one life.
Because you never know which
You never know which video is being watched by who. And if you don't own that, your own baby, your own mission, nobody's going to say, oh, let me make a video for you. No, you have to own that mission. जब तक वो अंदर से नहीं आएगा ना, no sort of techniques, tips, strategies, not even community can help you.